it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. Today we are with Jennie with Mantra. It's an official music video. So we're going to jump in this one and see what Jennie has to say. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section also. And please drop a sub to the channel if you haven't done so already. On the road to 40K. So that would be really appreciative if you guys could help me out. So let's jump in this one and see what Jennie has to say. Let's go. Jennie, Mantra. Let's go.
Pretty. Just happening no more. You just that far. You just that Pretty. This that pretty girl mantra. This that flan. She just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we wanna. It'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls picking a defender. No, I'm.
Hold on a minute. Yeah, okay, all right.
Drama unless we wanna. It'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls picking a defender. No, I'm a defender. Never let it catch no strike.
She's going hard, bro. She's going hard. Where's all my confident pretty girls at? Yes, and the ugly ones too. Big up your guys self, man. Let's go.
Depending on the day. Pretty girls picking a defender. No, I'm a defender. Never let it catch no strike. This that pretty girl mantra. She's that stun. I make you wanna swing both ways. Makes me.
Can I just say how seamlessly the transition is in these videos? Like, I really appreciate the editors, the production team behind these ones, man. Come on.
With the drama. Check you like commas. My close-up pajamas. Straight from the cold plunge. Daytime better using my yard. Quick switch at a fit for the night. Swerving through the lane, we'll be 20 minutes late. Cause we have to do it in our drive-by. Not that deep, I'm not that drunk. Sometimes girls just gotta have fun. Throw it back, all that ass. Me and my sis, we're too attached. Not that deep, and not that dumb. Look at them bodies on the run. Inside glowing like the sun. You're gonna feel this every day. This that pretty girl mantra. This that flan. She just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we wanna. It'll be depending on the day.
Yo, we got 2 bangers in 1 week. We got Lisa with Moonlit, and now we have Jennie with Mantra. Like, Jesus, like, come on, man. Yeah, I'm glad to be alive.
Pretty girls don't do drama unless we wanna. It'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls picking a defender. No, I'm a defender. Never let it catch no strike. This that pretty girl mantra. She's that stun. I make you wanna swing both ways. What it feel like to be off on the grid like all night. Oh, and I feel like we ain't even trying to talk no one. Swerve off all the creeps, no weird vibes. We ain't never let it ruin our good time. Ain't nobody gonna dim our good light. This them words we're living by.
Yeah, that ain't nobody gonna dim her daylight. Then not one of you guys gonna dim her daylight. She gonna be happy and stay happy. Cause that's the type of person he is. Cause she pretty. God damn it, let's go.
Ain't nobody gonna dim our good light. This them words we're living by. This that pretty girl mantra. This that flan. She just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we wanna. It'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls picking a defender. No, I'm a defender. Never let it catch no straight. This that pretty girl mantra. She's that stun. I make you wanna swing both ways. This that pretty girl mantra. This that flan. She just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama.
Yo, you can't play this one time. There's no way you can play this one time. Come on. So that's the younger her chilling and dancing. All right, let's go.
This that pretty girl mantra.
Let's go.
This that flan.
Let's
She
go.
just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we wanna. It'll be depending on the day.
Yeah.
Pretty girls picking.
Pretty girl don't do drama unless we want to. It depends on the day. Depend on the mood that I wake up in this morning. That's what I'll be doing. Let's go.
A defender. No, I'm a defender. Never let it catch no strike.
Yeah.
This that pretty girl mantra. She's that stun. I make you wanna swing both ways.
Yeah.
Mix me with the drama. Check you like commas. My close-up pajamas. Straight from the cold plunge. Daytime better using my yard. Quick switch at a fit for the night. Swerving through the lane, we'll be 20 minutes late. Cause we have to do it in our drive-by. Not that deep, I'm not that drunk. Sometimes girls just gotta have fun. Throw it back, all that ass. Me and my sis, we're too attached. Not that deep, and not that dumb. Look at them bodies on the run. Inside glowing like the sun. You're gonna feel this every day. This that pretty girl mantra. This that
as a guy that's into trucks, I'm guessing this is a Peterbilt 389. I'm guessing this is a I know it's a Peterbilt, but what model I don't know. Maybe it's a 389. I'm into truck, guys. I like truck. I do a lot of streaming. My truck rig is behind me that I stream on TikTok, so you can check that out. Link is in the bio to that. But yeah, let's go.
Yes, we won. It'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls picking a defender. No, I'm a defender. Never let it catch no strike. This that pretty girl mantra. She's that stun. I make you wanna swing both ways. Oh, what it feel like to be off on the green light all night. Oh, when I feel like we ain't even trying to talk no one. Swerve off for the creeps, no weird vibes. We ain't never let it ruin our good time. Ain't nobody gonna dim our good light. This
No one.
Yeah. Pretty girl mantra. This that phone. You just touched down in LA.
The editors, man. The dance routine. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. She killed it. She slayed. She slayed. What you guys think about this one, though? What you guys think about this one? Obviously, this is Jennie. So what you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comment section. This sounds good. This sounds good. The choreography, oh my god, they are fire. They are fire. Pretty girl mantra, we're like, you can tell how talented she is, bro. Like, just by even doing the vocals and doing the dance routine at the same time. Like, not a lot of artists can do that. And as I found out, the K-pop scene is known for that. So if you ain't got that, then but what can I say? Jennie, the voice, vocals, crazy choreography, the styles, man, she can sing, she can rap. I love it. I love it. I just got to shout out the production team behind this video. The video is crisp. The video, the transition, the editing skills. Oh my god, everything about it is crazy. Everything is fast moving. Everything is fast pacing. I like it. The energy is up as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of this one, though. And also, guys, please, drop a sub onto the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good and productive day. If you can't be good, be lucky. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.